I got the lightning bolt. I got it. I got it. I got the lightning bolt. Holy cow. Yeah, this thing definitely has enough energy in it for a tornado. I definitely don't want to be out there with that. That was another one. Definitely, the Supercell Thunderstorm definitely has enough energy in it for a tornado. Everybody's doing alright. I haven't been talking much during this video. I wasn't sure if I was going to film or not. But this is a violent supercell. I've seen, well, I mean, you've probably seen it, but it's when I first started, so you'll see them. This has lightning bolts, almost like strikes, it seems like. I mean, this storm, the supercell, this storm definitely has enough energy in it to produce a tornado. It hasn't yet. Good thing. It's a good thing. But I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if it does. It's one of the craziest storms I've been out of other videos do, but you know, I see down here we get a lot of crazy, you know, deadly storms down here in North Carolina. But this definitely goes at the one at the top on my list. Everybody's having a relaxing Wednesday night. I'm aiming it over this way, but it's just where the most of the lightning is. The storm, last time I checked anyway, was coming directly at me. It's a little miniature supercell, but it's a very intense supercell. It definitely has enough energy in it for a tornado. I don't want to go out there. It wouldn't take much for me to get struck by lightning from this storm. There's another bolt. You know, it's like another lightning strike. You know, I'm not going to go out there. I want us to sit here and film it. Yeah, severe thunderstorm warning. Can't even look at that right now. So I'm recording. Let's see if I can. And the thing about the supercell is it's intensifying too. It's continuously intensifying. I don't know what causes the storm to go tornado or severe warned. I don't know. I haven't got a tornado warning yet, so I don't think it's a tornado yet. You know, it's definitely, like I said, it definitely has enough potential in it to produce a tornado. Definitely has enough convective energy in it for a tornado. Thing is, if I try to go, I learned it last night when I was running the storm last night. I learned, you know, I can't read a warning. I tried to get off and it cut the video off. I had to do a part 2. I don't really want to do that here. Or I might do a part 2. I'm not sure yet, because I mean, this storm definitely has. I mean, it is a supercell. One of the most deadly storms on Earth, and here comes the wind too. Yeah, this thing must have, have 60 mile per hour winds. It looks like about 60 mile per hour winds. Now, it looks like it might be a wall cloud over there, actually. Try again. I might do a part 2. I think I want to leave you guys here shortly. I want to go through thunderstorm warning. I want to look at the radar again because this thing is intensifying, and it definitely has enough convective energy in it to bring a tornado. So I want to monitor this storm very closely too. This could turn south real quick. I mean, it kind of already is. Oh, there's another bolt. That's not a lightning strike. It looks like a bolt anyway. This is one of the most violent supercells I've ever seen in my entire life. I mean, this thing definitely has enough energy here. Much of energy in it to produce a tornado. There were actually a few tornadoes that touched down earlier back in Ohio where I'm from, close to where I used to live when I was back in Ohio. There's another bolt lightning strike. And so I'm hoping everybody, that was, that I know back home, back in Ohio, North Carolina is home now basically. But and it feels starting to feel like home. Really starting to feel like home too. But I hope everybody knew back here where I'm from. It's all right. The thing got hit with severe, all kinds of severe storms, and it just was. Severe storms, supercells, and squall and everything, developed and happened. I'm a lot of Ohio where I'm from. So I'm from Cincinnati, Ohio, for you guys who don't know, if you guys are ever wondering. Alright guys, I might do a part 2. I need to monitor this one very closely. This is a very, very extremely deadly supercell, and it's only intensifying. So I might do a part 2. I will get off here and look at the radar and look at safe thunderstorm warning and monitor a little closely, too. So if I don't do a part 2, I'll see you guys in the next video. If you liked the video, make sure to leave a thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and I'll read them if I can. If you guys leave comments, I always read them. If you guys have any questions about weather, I'll try to answer it for you. And if I can, I study weather as a hobby, so I know a little bit about weather. I know a lot about weather. I've lived review the comment, down below in the description. I'll answer your questions if I can, if I know. And if not, I could try, possibly, try to figure them out for you. If you could subscribe to my channel, that would help me out a lot. I'm trying to reach 100 subscribers. Never saw a silver cloud. Doesn't mean there's one that's dark out, night. That might be the one. That was another lightning strike. And there might, that means there wasn't one. So that doesn't mean there wasn't one that I didn't see. So, alright, I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. There is a part 2. I'll record it for you guys. I'll see that. If not, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.